For question 20, there is another question of problem solving leading to a quadratic. But if you see this kind of question, right, this is a concept of quantity times price. So quantity times price will give you the money. So the concept is behind quantity times price. Okay, so let's get with the basic idea first. So take note of the units because dollar and cents are different things. So for the first part, X apricots for $8. So again, you can think about it. So X apricots cost $8, but I will need the cost price. I will need the price for in terms of cents. So 800, that will be 800 cents. So again, if you couldn't process what is it for one apricot, you can try thinking about a number. So for example, you think about 10 apricots for 800 cents. So obviously one apricot is 800 divided by 10. So you change out that 10. So instead of 800 divided by 10, you change a 10 to X. So the cost of one apricot will be 800 over X cents. So part A, it will cost 800 over X cents. So that is for one apricot. So that is the price of one apricot. So this is like the cost price of one apricot. The 800 cents is the cost price for the X apricots. Okay, so right now, part B, he's going to throw away 3 apricots because it's rotten. So in part B, I realized that the quantity that he can sell instead of X apricot, now he can only be selling X minus 3 because he threw away 3. And the price that he decided to sell is 30 cents more than what he paid for. So he paid this amount for one apricot. So he wants to sell it higher to earn the money and also to make up for the one that he threw away. So the price will be 800 over X plus 30. So that is a quantity times price. So if he sell this quantity X minus 3 and the price is 800 over X plus 30, how much money is going to receive? So how much money is going to receive? It will be the quantity times the price. That will be giving you the amount of money. So I think the challenge part, of course, is to simplify the expression. So actually, no need to simplify because the question just say write down. So the amount of money will just be, so the money that he's going to receive will just be the quantity times price. So the quantity will be this, the price will be this. So that's it. So the problem is, right, with this, I will need to relate it to profit. So, okay, think about it. He uses $8 and then eventually after selling X minus 3 because 3 are rotten. So he managed to sell everything and he earned a profit. So what is the implication of earning the profit? That means, right, he actually collected the $8 and the extra money. That means he uses $8, but then after selling everything, he actually collected $10.40. So from here, right, I'm going to use the $10.40 to form the equation. That means this amount is going to be $10.40. Which is 1,040 cents. So this. So this is part C. And this, I think I wrote something wrongly. It's a 30. Will be 1040. That means he collected more than $8. That's why he can earn a 240. So from here, you got to slowly multiply. So because there's a fraction involved, it's a bit not easy. So x times 800 over x, that will give me a 800. Then plus 30x. And this one will give me 2,400 over x. So ultimately, you realize that you still got a fraction. So a very quick way to get rid of the fraction will be multiply by x, multiply by x, multiply by x. So I'm going to multiply everything by x. So I will have no more fraction. So this also can be one of the challenge. I think I made a careless. So this part should be an x squared. Okay, then we try to organize it properly first. Organize the 30x squared, punch calculator for all the x. So go and punch calculator 800 minus 90 minus 1040. So that will be 330x. So it doesn't seem to be the equation. So this is a x squared, but you have got 30x squared. So you divide by 30, divide by 30, divide by 30, divide by 30. So that's how you get the equation that they wanted. Again, you solve for the x. So when you solve for the x already, you got to use the relevant x. So in this case, I think the x, you will get minus 5, you will get a 16. So which one will you be using to find the selling price? So x is the quantity of apricots. So very simple, you just have to mention, since x has to be positive, I should be using 16 to find the selling price. So the selling price will be this 800 over 16 plus 30. So you always got to explain which is the value of x that you will need. And then whatever they are asking you will be found in the previous part of the question. You just have to make sure you relate, see as a whole question. Every part should flow to help each other.